Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq, with daily insight on the Nasdaq-100 index, or the NDX, which is made up of 100 of the largest domestic and international non-financial innovative companies listed on the Nasdaq stock market. The NDX has been the barometer for U.S. large cap growth and also one of the best performing indexes over the last decade and a half, as well as one of the most liquid index ecosystems in the world. Joining me this Monday afternoon, we have Chris Dearborn, Managing Director on Nasdaq's Market Intelligence Desk, for an update on technical levels to watch in the Nasdaq-100. And Chris, now that we're largely through earnings, looks like we're focusing on the Fed Wednesday, perhaps getting some inflation updates.
It's been absolutely an interesting last couple of days. A lot of risk off last week. Earnings has really been the driver here, but that inflation fear continues to be driving the markets lower. And with that, you have the Fed in focus there, seeing what comments they may have. You've had a couple of one-off comments, but really we're looking forward to seeing what comes out of the commentary in the middle of this week.
And let's take a look at your first chart here with some fresh levels to watch.
Yep. So last week we were talking about the NDX trying to hold support the 50-day moving average, which was 13,414. We broke that level. Not only did we break that level in midweek and later on during the week, we also broke the 100-day moving average, which stands at 1,282. Now, the index has broken these levels before and rallied back from these support levels, which turned into resistance areas. But confirm this move that it's kind of starting to run out of steam a little bit here. So if you look at the RSI, Relative Strength Index, at the bottom of the chart, we hit a peak low of 34 last week on May 12th. Remember, 30 is an oversold condition, 70 is an overbought condition. So it's showing you that some of that selling momentum is starting to wane here as we move in. And look what the index did. Friday was a significant risk on day. And today we're trading relatively close to where we opened, which is 13,329. If we can hold that level on a closing basis, that's going to put us in good position to break back above that 50-day moving average.
All right, Chris, if we take a look at your last chart of the day here, where are we seeing constituent performance from?
Yep. You've got almost 80 members in the red, 20 members only positive of the 100 NDX members. It's nice to see that Amazon's up there, or it's going to be a little bit worse than it could have been. But you've got communication sector and you've got tech, especially the semis, really just taking us lower here. News and Apple and Microsoft really hurting us, and as well as Comcast and Charter and a few of the others just really piling it on today. It's going to be tough to get us back up to that 13,329, but we've got about 55 minutes left in the day. We have a nice rally like we saw on Friday. We're hoping for it.
All right, Chris, appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, global markets reporter at Nasdaq.